This is Novotin Ten Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Kaiser Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. Coach, how's it?
Fine. You?
Yeah, fine, thanks, man. How do you feel about the game, man?
No, man. Fred Manai. My name is Bra Obza for Deep Branch. Yes, so wait too.
Yeah.
No, well,
the game.
for the game very mnandi kakhulu mara mina angifuna ukuanalyze nje into eningi ngifuna ukuanalyze just nje into encane ngoba phela abantu benibazo bakhuluma yonke indawo bathi hayi Norad hayi ngiyamjabo zokuqeda ngathi yabona yini mfethu asifuna ukube nimona ne wona lamakhosi lawa lamakhosi for life kodwa nje sibakhombisile ukuthi singabobani mara manje angithi bathe Norad mabaqeda ukushaya abafileyo amazulu bathi basifuna ngilo kunjani bathi bafuna one by one mina ngifuna ngilayeni abathi balandelana ngilayeni ngicela ngabo uyabona ke laba kamakebhulu labantu bobunyama ngobubi nibafuna la nibafuna Israel yobona bathi nokubonela ka TikTok manje ka Facebook yonke indawo nokhuluma ngastimela nasebateksini nasemaraplatini nasemotweni yonke sinitholile enesabetrapa sinifuna ngilayeni baba hayi yokujaye mani nimntandi mara nibamesile nibayekile nisazobabamba mfethu
But you are 5 lobo ukora
hayi mfethu bani nibambile bani mara yabona yini usari nimele bejayi uzothola i-red card kodwa hayi isindile mara yellow card yona iphume nayo yebo mara hayi lokusalayo ngiyabamba ekhaya senifuna laba kamakebhulu bamnyama ngobubi niyabafuna nibafuna ngilayeni
yebo,